Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice, and this is one of our brand new 2018 Harris 220s. This particular model does have the tri-tunes. Harris builds a very, very high quality product, and you notice this one also has your raising strakes down there, so that equates to a very nice ride. And for a 22-foot boat, it actually does very well, you know, in some choppier water. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat. I'll point out some of the options on it. This one, of course, has the navy blue, which is a real good looking color, and the big 150 4-stroke with stainless propeller. This also has your saltwater package with the sacrificial anoids, Simrad GPS chart plotter and fish finder, stainless steel ladder, and a huge bimini top. So if you like a lot of shade, that works out well. Plenty of room and storage all the way around. Here's your helm right here, tilt steering wheel. Nice fusion stereo. There's a Simrad we were talking about. And you can board the boat from the bow or the port side, and of course the stern. So this is a really good looking color combination as well. So to recap, 2018 Harris 220 cruisers, located at MarineMax in Venice. My name's Jeremy Bradshaw. So feel free to give us a call. The number here at the office, 941-376-3345. Thank you for taking the time, and we hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.